Good morning, folks. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm just tinkering around in the garage again. Well, I decided, and I probably mentioned it before, but I did get the piece together from the, I think it was 82 to 96. I had these laying around. So this control, it works with the way the throw-up bearing and clutch is activated down there in the side. Even though this would have had the arm that went back and forth, it's a different tranny. So, stiff, but everything's oiled up, and that I can work out with the springs to the point of we don't want the clutch to slip. But going through and doing the waiting on the wire loom, I got some old fabric wire loom that's coming. And I had some quarter, but I need 5/16 to put this many wires in. I think there's 6 per side. So went ahead and remembered exactly where each one goes. And then the special stuff is over there. So I went ahead and did that this morning. This side, I've got 11/16 in here. That's the only one I had. So I don't think it's going to stop the best. I mean, I feel some resistance, but I think because the piston is bigger, it's 11/16. 9/16 is for a single slave cylinder. This is going to push less because you now have two sides gripping. This is my thought, maybe it's wrong, where the smaller piston is only working one, so you need more pressure and more strength to get close to the same braking, even though with two calipers you get better braking. But that's all I got for now. Give it a couple, I see some, I won't know till I get on the road, but it does go all the way back, and I bled everything out. What I actually does go in here would be the banjo bolt, but that fit in there fine, and then goes down, to here, and of course it goes to that fitting there that, well, because somebody replaced this, I'd be happy to get the actual line, and that would be black rubber, which would be fine. I mean, this is supposedly gives you less expansion when you hit the brake because it's encased in this. But I tell you, get any nicks in that, don't be rubbing your hand up and down. Whoa! I know that bike there came with all that stuff on the oil lines, and it really I pulled it off the road. I saved the oil lines. I put new oil lines, but that silvery braided, I mean, it was you had to use like Kevlar gloves to touch it. So that's what I'm doing with this. Oh, let's see. Well, I hope this turns out right, because it looks like it started, I don't know. It may be in the vertical, not the horizontal, this video. Sometimes it starts that way. But I got everything. Once I put this inside, we'll go in the loom, and then I've got those set aside to be on there, crimped in there, and then they'll go inside there. They're kind of small. So that's what I've been doing. This works good. I got this. I had these laying around. I don't know where I got those, but got everything here working pretty good, and the choke working pretty good and everything. So that's what we've been doing there. Then the neighbor, he had bumped into something or something maybe from the road, I'm not sure, but it kind of bent this back, and there was this hose here was kind of You can see it was kind of crimped. Now, was that from the factory? I don't think it was bent far enough back, but I think that's how it was. I'm not sure. But we noticed it because it had an oil leak, and it was like here, which goes here. There's a ball in there that only allows the oil to go that way. And then you have some kind of sensor. We took that out. So we cleaned that up. And we got a new oil cooler coming, which will go up here. Which will go right up there. Like I say, this is my neighbor Chuck's. This is 2017. He bought this from a friend. His brother had passed, and so the brother, I guess, doesn't ride that much. So it's pretty nice. It has that denim paint. Don't touch it, you'll leave fingerprints. We took the exhaust off and everything, and so that's supposed to come today. Well, I think that was about it. Oh, thank you. I had a shout out from Kraken there. Thank you much. You know, I suppose, well, I'm definitely not interesting enough to put commercials on my stuff. But yeah, you have to have so many subs and you get commercials and things like that. You can make some money. I know, you know, if you have a lot, you can do all right, you know. But it's just a way to connect around the world, I guess. I know somebody in Thailand and Europe, and it's kind of neat. It makes the world smaller, and hopefully a happier place. At least we have a common thread of motorcycles. Well, that's about it for today. It's a real nice day. Started out cold, but trees haven't quite turned yet, and of course I'm not looking forward to winter, but I hopefully have a light winter. And again, prayers all to you guys down there this Wednesday. Ed there showed a video of the water, the rain down there, and I hope it subsides quickly and is a easy storm. I'll catch you guys later, and have a great rest of your week. And yep, I think that was it. Bye-bye. Peace.